So hello and welcome back to my channel. So today is day 1 of the 12 days to Christmas, where I'm going to show you all different videos. In this first video I'm going to show you a face scrub. So first you need 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar, white sugar, or you could use brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of powdered sugar. Yes, I mixed the 2 sugars because I find the granulated sugar will be too strong on the skin. Then you're going to use a half teaspoon of salt, because yes, salt is also good, and about a pinch of citric acid. Yes, you heard me, citric acid. So if it is baked, you will have citric acid home, and yes, you can use it on your skin, but not too much, just a little bit. Right? After that, we blend in the powder ingredients, especially that powdered sugar, because powdered sugar likes to clump together. So make sure you blend the powdered ingredients properly. And now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, because I love coconut oil. If you want to use any other oil, this is quite fine, perfectly fine. You can use olive oil, you can use jojoba oil, you can use grapeseed oil, you can use any oil that you wish, okay? As long as it's the oil that your skin loves. My skin loves coconut oil, so I am using coconut oil. And what you want to make sure and do is blend everything properly, evenly together. If you wish, you can also add some essential oils to this mix. I choose not to, because it's not like if it's a stay-on product, it's something I'm just using to exfoliate my skin, so I don't think I should waste essential oil on this to say, because it's a washer product. But anyways, it is up to you, right? So just make sure you blend in the essential oil. Blend in the oil with the powder properly. Right, now that we have finished, I am going to show you a texture shot. Yes, this is what it's looking like. This is the consistency, this is the glide, this is the flow, this is how it looks. This is mini bathroom. Yes, looking like a bomb squad, because I not too long come from work and I was tired. Anyways, so when you are using this type of scrub on your face, or any scrub in my humble opinion, make sure you wash your face first before you exfoliate your face, because you do not want to exfoliate and get rid of dead skin and expose new fresh skin with germs all over it. Okay, so make sure you wash your face properly. So wash your face, leave your face a little damp, and then use the scrub, right? Because you do not need to wash off your face with soap after, you just need to rinse off your face when you're done. So as you can see as well, I am not applying too much pressure with my hands, because the sugar scrub, the salt, everything in it is doing all the work for me. I'm just using my hands and gliding over. See the texture there, see the sugar. Yes, you do not need to apply too much pressure, okay? Because we're not scrubbing a mat, we are scrubbing our face. Okay, do not forget your lips. Yes, you can scrub your lips with this same scrub, because everything that I use in the scrub is edible. Okay, everything is edible. May not taste good, but it is edible. Alright, so make sure you scrub the lips, scrub your cheeks, scrub under your chin, scrub the side of your lips. You see the corner of your mouth there, make sure you get that scrub. Yes, scrubby dub. Right, so yeah, just make sure you scrub your skin properly, and yeah, scrub your skin, scrubby dub, and yes, that is me tasting the scrub. Didn't taste all that good, but you know, I'll be safe to eat, right? And this is the finished look, me looking like a glowing goddess. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.